Smith here, Stress Coach London. I help individuals overcome their procrastination habits by unlocking their potential through effective stress management. Now, today I'm discussing how you unravel that procrastination puzzle. So, is it emotion over laziness? So, in order to discover the real reasons behind your procrastination habit and learn actionable steps, enhance productivity, I have a Resilient Mind Planner. It's a free resource that you can have, especially when you need it to decide and discuss with yourself, like write down, note down the tasks that you do daily, the things that cause you to have emotional triggers by something that's going on in your life that leads to that procrastination. So, my point one is, how do you redefine procrastination? It isn't about laziness. It isn't or about the lack of time management. It is in that emotional regulation. It is in the fact that sometimes you don't want to do certain things because you feel XYZ or you're scared of the outcome. So it's a protective response to stress. It's essential to understand that you aren't inherently a procrastinator. You've just developed that habit of procrastination in response to stress. Labeling yourself as a procrastinator only perpetuates that cycle. So instead of you see it as a habit which can be changed. So my point two is, how do you identify those triggers and interrupt that cycle? Recognize and acknowledge that stress is associated with tasks that we avoid. And that's a crucial point. Why are you avoiding it? What's going on in your life that's making you avoid that task? To interrupt that cycle, utilize that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 countdown technique. What it does is you go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to just do a little bit of that task that I'm procrastinating about. So it engages your prefrontal cortex to transitioning your mindset and gearing you up for action. Now, a simple countdown can bridge the gap between intention and action, so helping you to break that procrastination habit. My point 3 is transforming procrastination into productivity. So once you understand why you're procrastinating, you find the root cause of your procrastination. You realize that it is a defense mechanism against stress. You can implement various strategies to break that task into bite-sized chunks. So I do the same. I will do half an hour of things that I really need to do because I've already decided what is really urgent. And then I will do something that's not very urgent. So something that's kind of fun. So it reduces anxiety and resistance and makes those tasks appear easy, more approachable and doable. And the reason why that's important is by tackling manageable tasks in different segments. It reduces overwhelm, enhances your focus, increases the likelihood of you completing that task. With that Resilient Mind Planner, that it's free, that I can give it to you. If you just, DM me and I can email it to you. It engages, challenges you to help you to identify your triggers, helps you to break that procrastination habit and lay the foundation for sustainable productivity, finds out the root cause of it. So I want to end this quick video with a question to ask you. What is the one task you've been putting off, and how do you feel when you think of starting that task? Please write a comment in the box and then I can reply. Now I want to end again with this live video with just stating a little quote of mine. Procrastination is a reflection of your abilities, but a habit formed from emotional reactions. Understand it, address it, and unlock your potential. Thank you for watching me, guys, and I look forward to interacting with you either through DMs or comments. Bye for now. Have a wonderful evening.